A jiffy is a real unit of time. Have you ever heard someone say, "I'll be back in a jiffy," or "it'll only take a jiffy"? We use the word jiffy casually all the time, but did you know that it's actually a real measurable unit of time? It's true. In the world of physics, a jiffy is more than just an expression. In fact, it represents a very specific amount of time, 1/100th of a second. Now, you might be wondering, how could such a tiny fraction of time have a name? Well, the term jiffy dates back to the early 20th century when it was coined by the physicist Dr. Thomas Edison. He used it to describe a very short duration, although back then it was simply understood to be a quick instant, a blink of the eye. But as science evolved, so did the definition of a jiffy. In the context of physics, a jiffy has a precise definition. In electrical engineering, for instance, it's commonly defined as the time it takes for a light to travel 1 centimeter in a vacuum. This works out to exactly 33.3564 picoseconds, which is just a tiny fraction of a second. But even more commonly in the field of computing, a jiffy is defined as 1/100th of a second, or 0.01 seconds, and it's often used to measure response times in technology. So next time you hear someone say, "It'll only take a jiffy," you can impress them by saying, "Did you know that's exactly 1/100th of a second?" It's pretty mind-blowing to think about how such a tiny, seemingly insignificant amount of time has its own official name. In a world where moments feel like they pass by in an instant, it's fascinating to realize that even those fleeting milliseconds are measurable, and they even have their own name. Just imagine how much can happen in a jiffy: a blink of an eye, a finger snap, or even a computer processing a command. It's in these rapid, almost imperceptible moments that the magic of technology and physics come to life. So the next time you're rushing through your day, remember that a jiffy is not just an expression. It's a real, measurable unit of time, forever embedded in the fabric of our understanding of speed and precision. And to help the channel grow, remember to like, share, and subscribe.